Are you looking for a flexible way to make money from home using just your typing skills and your ears? Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or just someone looking for a legit side hustle, transcription could be your ticket to earning income online. And the best part, no fancy equipment, no degree, and no office commute required. Let's talk about how you can get started today. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you real flexible ways to make money online. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an opportunity to earn from the comfort of your home. Let's start with the basics. Transcription is simply the process of listening to audio or video files and typing out what you hear. This can be anything from interviews, podcasts, and webinars to legal proceedings and medical reports. Companies around the world need transcriptionists to convert spoken content into written format for accessibility, documentation, and content creation. The job doesn't require a degree or years of experience to start. If you've got a good ear for the English language, can type reasonably fast, and have an internet connection, you are already halfway there. To get started, here's what you need: a reliable internet connection, a laptop, desktop, or even a mobile device, a good pair of headphones to catch every word, solid typing skills. Accuracy matters more than speed, and of course, patience, especially when dealing with unclear audio or accents. Some companies will require you to pass a basic transcription test, but don't worry, we will go over that. First up is Rev. This is one of the most popular platforms for beginner transcriptionists. They hire worldwide and offer flexible hours. You get paid weekly via PayPal, and the average earnings range from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. You have to pass a grammar quiz and submit a sample transcription, but once you're in, you can start working right away. This is Rev's sign up page. You're going to go to rev.com/freelancers, and it brings you to this page where you're going to sign up. You're going to put your first name, last name, email address, choose the position if you want to go for transcriptionist or captioner, select your country, the hire worldwide. I'll use Nigeria for instance here, Nigeria. Choose transcriptionist. It will tell you that there's currently a wait list because we're experiencing a much higher level of interest from new freelancers. That doesn't matter. Still go ahead and apply. The pay is 30 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute. Remember that audio and video minutes means how long it takes you to convert an audio. So whether it takes you less than a minute, you still get paid the full amount. Okay? And captioners earn more. So all you're going to do is to watch a video, accurately type what is being said, creatively convey sound, and sync typed audio with videos. So apply and wait for them to get back to you. It can take time for them to get back to you, but once you get in, you're in. Next is TranscribeMe. This is a favorite for people just starting out. They pay around $15 to $22 per audio hour, and some specialized projects go even higher. What's great is that they provide training and you can work in short clips. Perfect if you don't want to sit for hours at a time. This is their homepage. You're going to go to transcribeme.com/freelancers. It will bring you to this page, and you're going to click on Start Freelancing. So you're going to get paid $15 to $22 per audio hour, and average monthly earning is $250. Special teams earn between $60 to $70 per audio hour. So click on Start Freelancing. It takes you to the next page where you're going to begin with your name, country, your region, your email address, and begin your application. Next on our list is GoTranscript. GoTranscript is based in the UK but hires transcribers worldwide. They pay up to 60 cents per audio minute, and their platform is known for having consistent work. They accept beginners, and the test process is straightforward. If English isn't your first language, they still give you a fair shot. And this is their homepage. You're going to go to gotranscript.com/transcription jobs, and it brings you to this page. You can see that they pay up to $1.75 per minute, and they have a two-step application. They're hiring for over 40 languages. You're going to click on apply now, and when it opens up like this, so you're going to choose which language you want to transcribe and begin your sign-up process. The fourth one is Casting Words. Casting Words offers transcription jobs through their workshop platform. What's unique here is their grading system. The higher your quality, the more you earn. They pay via PayPal and accept applicants from many countries. It's a great option if you're confident in your English and want to grow your earnings over time. And this is their page. It's called castingwords.com. Go to castingwords.com and you see where it says, yes, we are always looking for talented freelance transcribers and editors and even some QA. Head over to Casting Words Workshop to take the test and get started. So you're going to click on Casting Words Workshop. It brings you here. You're going to do these 3 easy steps to get started, sign up, and then do the workshop and get paid. Okay, so click on register or log in. And then this is the page. Want to freelance for us? Apply here. We are currently accepting new accounts from freelancers located in the United States only. Within the US, we do not support accounts in Canada. So they are accepting only people from the US as of now. Okay, so my subscribers in the US, you can go ahead. This is your lucky time. Go ahead and apply. So the last one is Scribby. Scribby is another beginner-friendly platform that pays about $5 to $25 per audio hour. They also offer $5 bonus for every 3 hours of audio you complete. The audio quality can vary, but it's an excellent place to practice and improve your skills. Scribby.com has moved to Scribby.ai. So you're going to click here. It says sign-ups are allowed only on Scribby.ai site. Please visit the link below. Click on sign up here and it will take you to Scribby.ai. You cannot register on Scribby.com. So this is where you're going to begin your application with your name, your country, phone number, and all the details. Okay, then you select the industry. They have video, legal, sermon, podcast, academic, dissertation, marketing, and other. Select the industry you want to work for or the industry you work for. Then sign up. Here are some tips to help you succeed. First, practice your typing daily to improve speed and accuracy. Use tools like Grammarly to polish your grammar. Don't skip the style guides. Each platform has its own. Take breaks to avoid burnout, and don't give up if you fail a test. It's all about the learning curve. Pro tip, start with shorter files and the easier client and work your way up to higher paying jobs. Now, let's talk money. Realistically, as a beginner, you might earn around $200 to $600 per month part-time. With experience and better paying clients, that can go up to $1,000 or more. It's not get rich quick, but it's real income you can earn from anywhere in the world. Transcription is one of the most accessible ways to start earning money online. It rewards your focus, improves your listening skills, and can even lead to specialized higher paying work like legal or medical transcription. So if you've got a laptop, some quiet time, and a drive to learn, why not start today? Pick one of the platforms I mentioned, sign up, and just try it out. You've got nothing to lose and income to gain. I know that some of the websites mentioned are not available for people in some countries, but some of them are available to all countries. So you have to choose the one that is available to your country and sign up. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which platform you're going to try first or which platform you have already tried in the past. I'll be cheering you on. Until next time, keep hustling and keep winning. Bye for now.